Well, because my experiment on 28th of December worked out pretty well, I thought I would try to improve upon my primitive design and go to a little better design. What I have here are 3 water tanks used. There's the 2 water tanks that were electric, so they're just big. And then there's the gas water tank, which is perfect for a rocket stove because you see it has the fire flue built right into the middle of it. The propane water tank has got a fire flue that goes right up through the middle, and I didn't need this tank to be this tall, so what I've done is I took my plasma torch and cut out on the middle section here. So I didn't need the whole thing, so I cut out the middle section, and of course I had to cut the flue down as well. Here's the flue, comes out. Here's the top, comes off. Here's the middle section. What I've done is I've taken my insulating material and wrapped it around the flue. Now the next idea was this over here. This tank is going to be the water tank that fits on top. I cut out this section here, comes right off. Now this tank will slide right into that tank. This lid will right on here. And then it has an exhaust port cut at the bottom. Well, here's my 5-gallon bucket of sawdust. I've got it had it packed around a tube, pulled the tubes out. You've got a chimney and you've got your horizontal. The trick is to check and make sure the horizontal is open to the chimney part. Now this is just a simple experiment to see if the thing will light and do its thing. The bucket's in place, and I'm going to light it down here at the bottom and see if it will draw, and just see how well this will work. Now the lid that's on top will be welded on top later, but right now it's just loosely placed just to see if it'll work. Okay, here's the great ignition. Got the little torch here. See if it'll go. Torch is lit. Placing the torch in the hole. Okay, I've got the torch placed and burning. It's beginning to roar. Now a little bit is coming out of the exhaust. Check the top, because it's not welded on. Sure enough, there's a little smoke coming out.
Starting.
Okay, here's the water tank that I've cut down. Here's the exhaust. Looks like smoke's coming out, but basically it's just steam. Now I'm going to take a look in here. I haven't looked in here for a minute. Sawdust is still flaming nicely. Now here's the part that's really fun. I can take this pipe and put it on here, and smoke goes out the other end. You don't really need to make it turn up or anything. But if you want to make it turn upward, it draws a little bit better. But it's just immaterial, because the gizmo works whether it has a chimney or not. That's what I find very, very interesting about this thing. And it'll burn about 3 hours, sort of gently, slowly heating, well, that water tank over there. So the idea is the tank above this, all that heat that's coming off the top heat the water, keep my greenhouse warm. What a great idea.